Hey guys, Doug with Infotainment. In the 2018 and newer Ford Expedition, we now have Ford Sync 4 successfully retrofitted to these vehicles. You can go Sync 3 to Sync 4, 100% plug and play. It is pre-programmed to your exact VIN, so you retain all of your factory features. You'll notice here in sources, we are just in FM. You get SiriusXM, those of you who have it. Obviously, the biggest thing that we're going to do is be able to offer wireless Apple CarPlay. So it's picking up my phone as it stands. An amazing feature. As soon as you get in the truck, it automatically picks it up. It does have the new UI for the new Sync 4 GPS navigation, which works really well. Very responsive and quick. You have the app section and settings. Again, you retain all factory features. So your backup camera, your steering wheel controls, so on and so forth. Just an amazing, easy to install plug and play upgrade here from Infotainment.com.